Hi guys, how are you all?
Very
Good.
good. Shush, shush.
What's up? What was tough on the homework this week?
Nothing. I tried one of the um genius level problems with Akshara helping me. Um, like it was kind of hard. It was kind of hard.
Hard, yeah, that's what I
We-
thought, honestly. Okay, go
It,
ahead.
it was because she was using variables and things
She was
when
using
she was
Vario. Okay, I see.
so.
Okay, that's nice, Aru. I like hearing the story.
Thank you.
Very nice. Okay, yes, Nivina. Tell me. Nivyana. You know what? In that class, I go tell Nivyana and Nivyana. Here I come and say Nivina. Tell me. Nivyana, go ahead. You wanted to tell something, right?
Did level 1, level 2, and level 3 genius. And my mom hurt me a little bit because some of the questions were hard for me.
It is hard, Amma. It is hard. We are only discussing the basics in class. That itself gets off the time.
Yeah,
Yes.
but why did we
Huh.
then why did we have like a genius level one? Why couldn't we just delete the genius level and then like maybe nobody could try to read it for hard?
Vihan, you have to explain to me once more. I didn't get it. Can you please explain to me once more?
It'd be like why couldn't you why couldn't you just delete the genius level problems?
I will
Like
delete it. Then the
and then
problem
like
will disappear, right?
I don't know if you could just like uh you could just like black it and like that way
Oh.
nobody could solve it. So like I that teacher would be nothing hard. Not like the nature, but like why can't we annotate on it?
Why can't we?
Annotate.
What is that?
Yes,
See me and talk. I want to know. What is that?
like how do we annotate? Like how
Oh,
do we annotate on that page? Like what if like we need to slow this is due. And due means we have to annotate it and show it to them. It's like how?
in Google Classroom, you're asking?
Yeah. But it says due. And due means we have to do it. But how? We can't even annotate.
You can't annotate. I'm not getting. Let me share my screen. I'm not really getting. Is your dad around?
No, he's in India.
Oh my God. Then who is there with you? Who can I
Um,
mean, I'm not getting what you're asking me. You have to let me know what you're asking me so that I help you out.
I'm saying
Ah.
it says due December 7th.
Yes.
But then it says due. So that means we
Correct.
have to annotate.
You have to do it. Yes. Why? You can do it on a piece of notebook, right? The usual
Yeah,
math
I,
notebook.
I only have one.
Okay, you have a notebook, right? You can look
Yeah.
at these problems and do it there. You don't have to annotate here, right?
What do you mean by saying due? Like due. It
Due
says
means
due.
the due date. The deadline for submission is December 1
Oh.
or whatever. Or deadline for submission was December 6, sorry. Due yesterday. Due yesterday means you should finish and submit it by yesterday in the Google Classroom.
Yeah, but how do you submit?
Oh, how do you submit? You have to share your screen, then I can show you. Oh, was your dad doing all this till now?
No. Okay,
Then
I don't know how to share.
there is a turn in, right? There is a turn in button, right?
Where did I get see it?
No, I can do it. Shall I do it?
Oh yeah, I can't even see it.
You can see it?
What? I can't see it.
You can see it? Okay, let me show you quick. Okay, I do understand
This?
what you're asking, but my only problem is that will take away class time. Let's see. Let's see what I can do for you. Give me 1 minute, okay? Wait. You have to wait for a minute. Mhm. Okay, I'm going to show you. Now I'll show you. Wait.
So we go there?
No, you don't go there. Okay, let me show you. You have to give me a minute, I said. Okay, I go here, I see my homework. This is what you see, right?
Yeah.
Right? I'll view the
Yeah.
instructions. See, there is add or
Oh.
do you see the add or create?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, in that you can add a file. Meaning, first you need to do it in your notebook, then scan it, send it to your computer.
How do you scan it?
Oh, you have to use an app called Cam Scanner.
Okay, I don't have the app.
Ask your mom. App is called Cam Scanner that will send the PDF to your computer, then browse, then add that in like this, and then see now, turn in.
Oh.
That's it. I turned in the homework. You got it?
Oh. Okay.
You need to know this, okay? The app, it's very easy to use, okay? I asked my fourth grader to do too. She does it too. But the thing is, first time you should learn from your mom. You got it?
Got it.
Okay. So that's what. See, I turned in late. I am turning it today, right? The due date was yesterday. You got it?
Yes. Wait, what's today? Today?
Today is December 7th.
It's a December 7th only.
Yeah. It was due yesterday.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, yeah. Let's go ahead. Aradhya, you are raising your hand. Go ahead.
I didn't understand the assignment.
Oh, several of it you didn't understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See, that was a hard homework I gave, but were you present for the last class?
Yeah, we know.
Aradhya, were you present for the last class? Were you present last week?
What does that mean?
Okay. Did you come to the class last week?
No.
That's the problem. Then how will you understand? Did you go through the recording?
Yes.
Even then you did not understand anything?
Yeah.
You could have done this, meaning based on the class recording, you could have done this, right? How much did it cost? This one was easy. This 5 problems was easy, definitely, right?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
If you do that, that's enough.
And I also did question 1 and question 2.
Of level 2?
And I think question 3.
Yeah, this was tough one, okay? But I wanted you guys to get used to. Then when will you get used to all the hard problems, right? You are in a class which is a little bit harder than your usual class, correct? So how about this? Okay, any questions? Aradhya, I'll see whatever I can discuss. Definitely, I'll discuss in class. Any particular question you want me to discuss?
No. I want to discuss question 3.
Question 3 of level 2 or level 1?
Level 2.
Level 2. Listening, go ahead.
And question 4.
Yeah, let's try that. Let's try those 2 questions. If 15-inch stack of tuna cans, 15-inch stack, that means what? 15-inch stack. So let me put it. See, 15-inch stack of tuna cans cost $3.50. That means 15-inch. Let me put both inches and cost. I'll put both in 2 columns. Inch, cost. So I'll just write the numbers in here. 15 inch is costing what? $3.50. I'm just converting the English problem. Problem is written in English. I'm converting it into a format I understand. So I'm putting it out into 2 columns. Inch, cost. Okay. Or if you find this easier as a number line, then you can put it. Meaning, let me write the inches on this number line. Let me write the cost on this number line. What are they saying? 15 inch. Let's say 5, 10, 15 like that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You know number lines, right? If this is easier, you can do this. Okay, both ways you can do. I'll tell you both ways. See which is easier for you. Some of you can get through this. Some of you can get through that. 40, 45. Like this on a number line, I'll mark. Okay. Down, literally what they are saying. 15 inch. So this much is the same as $3.50 for cost. Did you get that? Okay, so we got it. Now we need to find out 45 inch. We don't know what this is. What is the cost? So what is that we don't know? What is the dollar value here? Am I making sense, Aradhya? So how many 15s? Do you know how many 15s are in 45? From 15, what did you do? What can you do to get a 45? You don't know. You don't know, right? Okay, from 15, do you know how to go to a 5? From 15, do you know how to jump to a 5?
Yes. Yeah.
How? How? What is that you do?
You said.
We don't subtract. I want a multiplication or division here. What do you do?
Miss Priya, I know.
Go ahead, Srimitran. Good job. Go ahead.
It's 15 divided by 5.
Divided by?
5.
Really? If you divide 15 by 5, you'll get a 3. I want a 5. What do you do?
15 divided by 10.
15 divided by 10, you'll get 1.5. 15 divided by 10 is what? It's a fraction. From 15, how can you jump to a 5?
15 divided by 3.
Divide by 3. Niviana, you also knew that. I saw that. So same thing you do here. You divide by 3. Do you know how to divide $3.50 by 3? It's hard, right? You guys don't know. Okay, from 15, do you know how to jump to a 45? How many 15s are in 45? Think deeply and tell me. How many 15s are in 45?
3.
3. How did you do that? You are just finding how many 15s. 15 plus 15 is a 30. 30 plus 40. So, there are 3 15s in 45. 15 times 3 is a 45. So, the easiest way for me to get the equivalent dollar here is multiply this as well, the dollar value as well, by 3. What should I do then? $3.50 should be multiplied by 3. If that is hard for you, you can keep on adding $3.50, $3.50, $3.50, 3 times you can add. You know, multiplication is just repeatedly adding. You have to add this number repeatedly 3 times. When you add that, what do you get? $10.50. So the answer is $10.50. Did you guys get it?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Good. Now, let's see this one. What are they talking about? The fourth question. I'm going to do 1 or 2 whenever possible, okay? Which is a better buy? You're getting 5 candy bars, okay? A store says, I'm selling 5 candy bars for 80 cents. Let me draw the number line again. Now, if number line is easy, go with the number line always. 5 candy bars. Let me draw the candy bars here, okay? Let me write the money value here. Okay, this is very good, guys. This exercise, whatever I'm giving, is too good. Okay, try to do level 1, 2, 3. Level 1 and 2, definitely you have to try. Okay, which is a better buy? 5 candy bars for 80 cents. Let me do this. 3, 4, 5. 5 candy bars. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cents is, let me go from 5, right? I will just write for 5. 80 cents is here. 5 candy bars can be replaced with 80 cents. Meaning I go to a store, if I give 80 cents, they'll give me 5 candy bars. Right? And if I take 5 candy bars, if I give them 5 candy bars, they'll give me 80 cents. It's like that. They're equal. Okay? Okay. But another store is selling 4 candy bars for 60 cents. I can't do that in the same number line. I'll get confused. So you know what? I draw another number line with candy bars. Oh, Ananya is entering. Okay. And cents. Now, that store is selling 4 candy bars for 60 cents. 60 cents. How to do this? It's so hard.
We should make the 4 candy bars 5 candy bars.
Yeah, but 4 you cannot make it as 5, right? So there is no proper comparison. So what to do? Correct. I have to find out in this store. I have to find out what is 5 candy bar cost. Or in the black
Candy bars with got 15.
See, that is a better idea. In this store, I have to find for 4 candy bars. I cannot make an equal comparison between the stores.
We
But
should
you
do
know what?
60. We should
Let
do
me
60
finish. Let me finish,
and
Vishwa.
15.
Let me finish, Vishwa, please. Can I finish?
Yes.
Okay. So I cannot find 5 candy bars in this store because I don't know. 4 I cannot convert to a 5 by multiplying. Similarly, 5 I cannot go to a 4 by dividing here. Now, Vishwa, go ahead. What is the other alternative? What I can do?
So one candy bar is worth 15 cents.
So see, Vishwa's idea of finding one candy bar cost in both the store is easy.
And
See?
then we can add one more for the 4.
No. We'll find one candy bar. What is the cost of one candy bar in both the stores we'll find. So what you will do? If 4 candy bars, see, 4 candy bars are costing 4 candy bars. I don't know how to draw candy bars. Okay, 4 candy bars are costing 60 cents, right? How will you split the 60 equally into 4 pieces?
50.
What is the cost of one candy bar? Yes,
50.
Vihan, go ahead.
15, 15, 15.
Sorry, cents. 15 cents. So, let me write that down. One candy bar is costing 15 cents. Let me circle that. Now, let me go to the second shop. What are they saying? 5 candy bars is 80 cents. In this store, they are selling 5 candy bars for 80 cents. How do I split it equally? One another person, please. Shankari or Nivyana or Aru. How do I find one candy bar cost?
For 5 candy bars for 80 cents. So
You're going to split 80 into equally into 5. So what should you do?
you should
80?
into 5. So you have to do 80 divided by 5.
Good job. How many 5s are in 80? Correct. So what do you do? The quick way. How many 5s are in 8?
There's only 1.
1. Is there a carry?
Yeah.
What is a carry?
The 1.
No. What is a
The-
carry?
The 5.
No.
The 8.
No.
3.
3. See ma, 5 ones are 5 is utilized. Of the 8, I already utilized the 5. What is the carry?
3.
3. So this number becomes 30. How many 5s are in 30?
6.
6. So each candy bar in this store can cost 16 cents. So which shop will you go to and buy? The same candy bar is available at this store for 15 cents, this store for 16 cents. Which one should you buy?
I would rather go to store A.
Yeah, me too. I'll also go to store A, right?
Yeah. Can I explain why?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because 5 candy bars for 16 cents.
Mm.
And but no, 1 candy bar equals to 16 cents in store B.
Mm.
So, but in store A, there are more. There are each candy bar is 15 cents. And 15 is less than 16. People like spending less. Just say emergency. So now we're going to go to store A.
Good job. Okay, let's move on now.
Instead of store B.
Good job. Any other questions that you would like me to discuss? I can't go over every question. Class will go. So you let me know what question you would like me to discuss in class. We can do 2 more. Go ahead. Whatever you want to discuss, guys. Whatever you found it very tough, right? When doing at home. See, sometimes I become hesitant to give this because these are a little hard. But if you can scale up, if you can work a little, think about more a little at home based on the discussion here, then I'll give you more as well. So your brain will become better. Go ahead. We'll grab more. Go ahead. Okay, I really want you guys, if I give a problem, how are you going to do? Can we try? Can we try?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to stop screen share. I'm going to give you my own problem. Let me see. Let me see based on the homework only, okay? Okay, you're not going to get help, but you're going to try by yourself, okay? Can you try this one for me? You draw the number line. What I am giving, pounds and dollars.
Yeah,
Can
but
you draw
how
the
much is a pound?
You don't need to know that at all. 1.5 pound. One. You can draw the number line as 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't. Vihan, what was your question? How much is a pound, right? You don't need to know the pounds. You can draw a number line for pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can have a number line for the cost. Okay. You should write the equivalent ones. 1.5 pounds is $1.50. 1.5 pounds is 10. From 0 you can go. 1.5 pounds is costing you $1.50. How can you? Yeah.
Should we send it in chat?
Yes, thank you, Vishwa. I really appreciate it, Vishwa. Thank you for asking. I really like that you considered everybody doing it and not blurt it out. Very nice, Vishwa. Thank you. Send it.
Done.
Shri Mithun, nice job. Akshara, nice job. Aru, very good job.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Are you correct? Vishwa, did you send Vishwa?
Yeah, send it.
Okay, wait. Yeah. Vishwa, correct. Shankari, no, Shankari. I don't know what makes you think. Ananya, no. Shankari, I didn't check yours. Ananya, wait, I don't know. Yeah, Ananya, you're right. Ananya, you're right. Aradhya, you're right. Aditi, you're right. Shankari, can you explain how you did? Shankari, you have to explain to me how you did.
I did, since half of a pound of walnuts cost $1.50, and they're asking.
Wait, you read it wrongly. That's the problem. 1.5 pound of walnuts. Did you see that? 1.5 pounds. 1.5 pounds of walnut. Did you read it like that? You didn't read it like that, right?
No.
Yeah, I know. Because you just read this piece. You did not. So, can you redo, Shankari? You understood the concept. Your answer is correct for that. So, can you redo? Shreyank. Shreyank, that's right. So, I want an answer from Anjali. Where is your answer, Anjali? Good job, Vihan. Anjali, can I get your answer?
I'm still doing it.
Still doing it. Okay. Can I help you, Anjali?
Yeah.
Okay. So, see, 1.5 is where? Where is 1.5? Between 1 and 2, right? So, here, right? So, let me divide everything into equal pieces. I'll draw. This is 1.5. 1.5 is costing $1.5. Right? I'm asking for 2 pounds cost. So when you look at it, see here, I'll divide it equally, okay? Meaning the small markings indicate half a pound, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds. So you see there are 3 mountains when I reach there, 3 equal mountains, right? So then see here, 3 equal mountains. When I split this $1.50, I am splitting up into 3 equal mountains. So each mountain will be how much? If I divide $1.50 into 3 equal mountains, each one will be 50 cents. 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. $1.50 you are splitting up into 3. It will be 50 cent, 50 cent, 50 cent, right? So 1 pound will be how much? 1 pound will be how much? Each is 50 cent, right? Each mountain is 50 cent. So what will be 1 pound? Huh?
100.
$1. $1. Correct. 100 cent or $1. 2 pounds will be?
200.
Yes, 200 cents or $2. That's all. You got it?
Yeah.
Nivyana, did you get it, ma?
But the answer is $3.
Answer. No. Answer is $2. Answer is $2, right? What did you do? Wait, let me see. Vishwa. Vishwa, answer is $2.
Oh.
Okay, Ananya ji, if you put it as 200, great ma, I understand. But then you need to put cents. If you put it as 200, you need to put cents at the end. In dollar, if you put, you can put it like this. You got it? Okay. Okay, good guys. Now can we move on?
Yep.
Okay. Today I don't want to make it hard again. So let's see. I'm going to skip a little bit. I'm going to make it fun and easy this week. Okay. So that way we can go back and see whatever we have missed. You can catch up as well. Let's see.
Ma'am, can you give us a question like which is the best course?
Which is the best cost? Okay, I'll give you. Let's go here. I'll give you that. 9 plus what number is 16? What is the missing number?
7.
We are,
Seven.
we are
Seven.
working on fact family. Hey, Nivyana, did you get the last problem?
Yeah.
Okay. 7. Good job, guys. Okay. Now, what is this number here?
7.
Yeah. So, did you all see that the big number, if you want to get, you have to add two small numbers. But if you want the biggest number, you add the two small numbers. But to get the small number, any one small number from the big number, you subtract. Do you see it?
Yes.
Similarly, what is this? If I want 7, what should I do? I have to subtract
9.
9. So this is the fact family. So 7 plus 9 is also equal to 16. Right? Now let me ask you this. What is this? Will this number be big number or small number?
Big number. It's 40.
Yeah, we are removing something to get something. So this will be the biggest of all.
So it's 40.
40. Good job.
40 minus 9 equals 31.
So now I'm not going to put the square. Okay. If I put square, you know that I don't know that number. Instead, I'm going to write out letters for those numbers. Whatever I don't know, I'll write it as a letter. So you will tell me, Auntie, the letter is this number. Let's see. How about this? Instead of the square, I don't want to put the square. Okay. I'm becoming more mature. I want to solve harder problems, right? So I'm going to put T equal to 50. What is T, guys?
10.
T means a letter, but you can replace a number into it. So sometimes it's called variable.
Ma'am, it's T for 10.
T refers to 10. The number 10. Good job. So we say the value of T is 10. Make sense? Okay, let me see this one. I'm going to give you a question. Please don't shout out. Send the answer in chat, okay? How about this? I'm thinking of a number. Okay. Half of my number is 32. What is my number? Please don't shout out. What is my number? That number, let's say I call my number as A. I'm thinking of a number A. Half of A is 32. What is A? See, I'm changing the question to a letter. Did you see that? We are using variables.
Priya auntie.
Good job, Vishwa.
Miss Priya.
Good job. Shankari, good job. 1 minute, ma. Vihan, I'm checking your answer. Good job. Shreyank, good job. Aditi, good job. Anjali, good job. I'm waiting for the others. Akshara, Viviana.
I can't send my answer, but I just put it in.
Why, ma, you can't send your answer?
It just said it's already been clicked, but it's not showing it. Can you see mine?
I can't see yours. Can you reply to me?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, I sent you a chat message. Good job raising it. Try now. Aru, good job.
Okay.
Srimitran, good job.
Now
Ananya, V, don't make me call out, guys. Please, Aradhya, you have to send the answers. You should not keep quiet.
6, 7. 6,
Ak-
7.
Akshara, good job.
I sent my answer. Is it correct?
Ananya ji, think about it. I'm thinking of a number. Half of that number is 32. Then is my number bigger than 32 or smaller than 32? This is a question for Ananya ji. Nobody else is going to answer. Ananya ji, half of the number I'm thinking in my head is 32. So the number in my head is bigger or smaller? Ananya, you have to shout out, ma. We're not able to hear you. Ananya, I want you to talk. Ananya ji. Some problem here with your every week seems a problem to me. So I'm going to check with your mom on that. Ananya ji, we are not able to hear you at all. Okay, let me message this. Every week this has been a problem. Okay. Half of the number in my head is 32 means the number in my head is bigger. So I have to, good job Ananya. You have to double it. So it is 64. Now let me go ahead and ask you more questions. Okay. I just wanted to be fun. So let's do this. It's okay. 5 will be equal to 46. What is my number? What is in my number t? I want the value of t. Find out the value of t.
Miss Priya, am I correct? Yeah, am I correct?
Checking ma, 1 minute ma.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Can I request you on something, guys? Can I go over one by one and tell you? If I miss, you can ask. Is that okay? Yes, Anjali. Yes, Ananya. V. Shreya, please. Aru, nice. Srimitran, nice. Akshara, nice. I think all of you got it. Nivyana, nice.
You
Lalo,
skipped mine.
Vihan, nice. I did not finish. I'm still doing. Shankari, nice. Vishwa, nice. Adya, nice.
Ma'am, you have two voices. Now you have two voices.
You know what? One of your mission has a problem. Is this better? See, there is no double noise. I'll tell you, I don't know who has the problem with audio, but one of your missions have some problem, so it is echoing. So when that person unmutes, I'll let you know, no problem at all. You can fix your audio. We don't know who has the problem. As and when that person talks, immediately I'll know who has the problem. I'll let you know. Then we can fix it. Okay, don't worry about it now. Let's move on. As and when we move on, when I confront the problem, I'll let you know. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, I want to know what is this. I want to know the value of this. I'm saying, hey, n is equal to 9. Can you tell me the value of n times 4? What is the value of n times 4?
Can I say the answer?
Okay, say it out.
36.
36. So what did you do, Aru, to get that?
Since n equals 9, I did 9 times 4.
Good job. You went ahead and scored it up. We don't know what is n, but then I give you that n is equal to 9. So put a 9 there, and 9 times 4 is 36. Now, how about this? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Did I discuss with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you should always do multiplication division. Parenthesis first, then we did that last week, right? Multiplication division, and then you'll go to addition subtraction. If multiplication and division are in the same expression, what you'll do? You'll go from left to right. Having said that, I'm going to give you a problem now. You're going to tell me what is the value of this expression when a equal to 20. Please, this in chat only. This one in chat only.
Am I correct?
Not quite, Vishwa. Good job. Okay, I will answer in chat as well to you guys as much as possible. Otherwise, I'll call you out. You all seem to be too good with this, guys. I think all of you got it. Anya G, did you reply, ma? Yes, you replied. Good job. Vishwa, correct. Anjali, nice. Aditi, did you get it, ma? Hey, nice to see you, Aditi.
Huh?
And nice to see you. I love it if you come to class.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I missed you last 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you put 20 here. 9 times 20 plus 3 is 183. Aradhya, you did not answer. Did you understand, ma? Or did you answer? Did I miss it? Wait. Aradhya, did you?
Solving.
Oh, you were solving. Okay, but you understood?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, nice. Let's move on. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to give you a problem that's going to have this. Let me see who does it. Who does it correctly, I'm going to see.
Miss Priya, am I correct? Same.
Yes, you're right.
Miss Priya, am I
Shreyank, why
correct?
Shreyank? Very nice, Shreyank.
How did I get?
Priya,
Miss Priya.
Yeah. Yeah, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
No, you know what? I should have given you Shreyank. You went far above. Your answer is perfectly right, but I don't want to give you that. Okay, I didn't mean to give you negative numbers. Okay, I changed the problem, guys. Okay, there was a little bit of a problem that I gave you, and I didn't want to get into negative numbers at all now. Okay, let's not take too many things right away. 300 minus k times 2. Let's please do that. I'm sorry, guys. Ananya, I'm waiting for your answer. Last answer as well didn't seem right to me. Okay, sorry guys, you have to redo the problem. Sorry about it. Adya, I want you to redo the problem. Vishwa, please, I changed the question, Vishwa. Good job on the negative answer, but I didn't mean to go to negative numbers. Guys, I just changed. I'm sorry.
Am I correct?
Are you correct, Aru? That's correct, Maru. Yes, Aru, we started variables. See? What a coincidence, right? I saw your chat message just now. Anjali, there is removal, there is subtraction. Did you not see that? Good job, Shreyank.
Oh, okay, I'll fix it. I correct.
No, Vihan. Vihan, there is a subtraction. Did you see that?
Priya auntie.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
See, some of you are not doing it correctly. What did I say? Did Miss Sally, did you remember Miss Sally? Aunt Sally. What should you do first? What should you do first? Aditi, you didn't do it correctly. What should you do first?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. First do. So, if you don't remember, right, it's better. Put a parenthesis and do. First, I need to do the multiplication and then do the subtraction. So, this will become 300 minus 180, which is 120. Okay. There were a handful of you who did not answer this correctly. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Okay. I don't want to give a similar problem. Hold on.
Didn't the previous question 180 and a 120?
Shreyank, go ahead. Yes. Shreyank. Agree. This is 120. This is 180. Appreciate it, Shreyank. You caught my mistake, right? Glad. Good job. Very good job. Very good observation. Can I move on? Okay.
Yeah.
How about this? I have this one. Okay. You tell me, this is what? This is an expression. There is no equal to sign. When you have an equal to sign and some number on the right side, that becomes an equation, a pan balance. Here, there is no equal to sign. So, you know what I call this? Expression. But since, see, sometimes I can say 3 plus 2. This is also an expression. But this one has a letter in it. You know what? So, I will call this as algebraic. Algebra means variables, right? Algebraic expression. What I will call this? This one doesn't, expression is SSI1. What is this? It's only number, right? Numeric expression. Got it, guys? So what is the value of this algebraic expression when R is equal to 10? R is 10. What is the value of this algebraic expression? What is the value of this algebraic expression? Vishwa, did you give the answer already? Yes, Shankari, you gave the answer, right, ma?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I'm checking one by one. Hold on. Okay, you guys seem to become better at this so well. Aradhya, good job, Aradhya. Good job doing it pretty fast this time. Very nice. Okay, I don't think we need to go with more problems on this one. Everybody got it right, looks like. Anjali, did you do, ma? Anjali and Aditi, did you do, guys? Both of you?
I did it.
Yes, Anjali. Yes, I also responded to you. Okay. Okay, guys, I think, yes, Ananya, you go ahead, ma.
I can't send the answer.
Why, ma? I don't know what is going on, but sometimes somebody... Okay, I'm going to give you this. Okay. Okay, how about this? You can answer to that, Ananya. Okay. Now, let's move on, guys. I really want to go forward a little bit quickly. How about this? You guys can do all of this at home, okay? Now, I'm going to give you something, okay? See, whenever I give you 4, that means what? It's a plus 4. Whenever you have a plus and I remove a 4, what happens? It always becomes 0. How about I give a 12, minus 12, a negative 12 and a positive 12. Whenever you see a negative of a number, remove that number, add that number, it becomes 0.
The same number.
Exactly. Then if I give you a letter, I remove the letter, what is it?
Zero.
0, because I have the number, positive number, meaning you have the number, you have 4 eggs.
Positive minus negative equals to negative, and positive and negative plus positive equals to
Negative, yes, 0. Good. How do you write this as multiplication? How do you write this as multiplication, guys? You can shout out. One of you.
9 times 5.
What is it?
95. 9 times 5.
Good job.
So many voices.
I'm checking. Wait, I'm checking. I'm checking on that. Okay. 9 times 5. Good job. Okay, now, how about this? What is the value of this? Anybody can answer. We should have some fun as well.
5.
Good
Five.
job.
5.
Okay, I think I found who has the problem.
Who is it?
Okay, I'll tell you. I think I know. Okay, let's see. How about this? What is the answer for this? I want anybody to answer. That way I can find out quickly. What is the answer for... no, not this one. What is the answer for this? Shreyank.
0.
No. Do you want to say the answer, Shreyank?
1. 2.
What,
we don't
guys?
know what the F was what. 1.
1 is not the answer.
1F.
But 1 is not multiplied. See, 1F means 1 is when there is no operation, then it is multiplied.
Is it 1 plus F?
Yes. Who was that?
Me.
It is 1 plus F. You can only combine. See, if you have a friend, right, you both like to play with each other. They look alike, right? But if you have a letter, you cannot combine. You don't know what that number is. So that number has to stay by itself. It doesn't have a friend. You see? So it cannot combine. But 13 looks like a 12. They both are numbers. They like each other. They like to play with each other. So they combine and become 1. However, here it is 1 plus F. So the answer is 1 plus F. You don't know the value of F. So you can say the answer as 1 plus F.
Okay.
Okay. Ananya ji, unmute amma. Unmute your audio, please. Talk out something. Ananya ji, the problem with audio is at your end, amma. No problem. I'll talk to your mom today. Okay, don't worry about it. It's okay. Let us go with the problem. After the class, I'll talk. Okay, there's something going on. We are not able to hear you. And whenever you unmute, there is too much echoing everywhere for all of us. I don't know what. But we'll discuss later. Don't worry about it. Let's see this one. How about this? Nobody is going to shout this answer out, okay? Everybody is going to send it in chat because this is a challenging question based on what we discussed. You're going to send it in chat. Good job, Shreyank.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Good job, guys. Several of you got it. Should I call out?
Yes.
I want to answer from Niviana.
Miss Priya.
Yes. I want to answer from Anjali. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Niviana, I want an answer from Yuma.
Did I get it? Did I explain how I got my answer?
You wait, Ma. I just want everybody to answer first.
Okay.
Nivyana, I want your answer, Ma.
Okay.
You don't know, you don't know. Meaning, I don't know is an answer. You see, IDK is an answer. I accept it. But I just want to know whether you know or not. So,
Okay.
yeah, you can just tell me IDK. I don't know.
Okay.
Hmm. But don't keep quiet. That's my only thought.
Okay.
Aha! Aradhya! Did you see that? G is a friend of G, but one is plus, one is minus. So you remove it immediately. So what happens, Aradhya?
Yes.
So what happened? G can combine with G because they both look alike and they are friends. G likes G. Yes, Nivyana. Aradhya, when you look at it, right? See, we have 13 eggs, but you remove the 13 eggs.
Am I correct?
So that becomes 0. Sorry, I did not. Then I missed your answer because I thought I checked for everybody.
You did not take my answer.
Correct. Adya correct.
Am I correct?
Aditi, why did
Priya, you skipped me.
see, no. In chat, see guys whether I've responded and then you have to ask. Aditi, I responded to you. Did you see that?
You did.
Yeah?
Ma'am, how do you respond?
Oh, see, there is a clap or a thumbs up I give, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
good,
I
good, good.
see.
Good. I'm glad you understood, Vishwa.
Priya, am I correct?
If you didn't get that, definitely rise, guys. Yeah, see, let me please explain this to Aradhya. 13 minus 13 becomes a 0. Plus G minus G also becomes a 0. Friends all cancelled each other and became zeros. Okay.
Friends all broke up.
Yeah, okay. How about this? That's a hard one. Let's see. You're going to do that. Quickly, you're going to do that. This chapter should move fast.
Am I correct?
I I have to check this answer, right? Good job, guys. See, I will try to respond. Okay, if I don't respond, definitely raise and ask. Uh, Aditi, I don't think that was right. Nivyana, how did you get a 10? Tell me, how did you get a 10? Is there any number there? I don't see any number there. Nivyana, I don't see any number there. How did you? Aradhya, it's not a 0. Aradhya, it's not a 0. It's not a 0, Ananya ji. Akshara, good job, ma. Nivyana found it. Good job, lady. Ananya V, can I get your answer? You guys really do good. Ananya V, can I get your answer?
Miss Priya, you skipped me.
Ananya V, can I get your answer? Let me check, Vishwa. Ananya V, yes, I did skip you. Thank you for checking. Ananya G, did you get my answer? Did you have it? Ananya V, did you get your answer?
No, I'm
No.
still
Okay, good. You don't have to work. You can tell me, Auntie, let's discuss. See, cancel out. plus t minus t. Cancel that out because that becomes 0. That becomes 0. And plus t again minus t. Cancel that out. You don't need all those. It becomes zeros. Again another plus t minus t. Cancel that. What remains?
1T.
1t. That's all. Got it, Ananya V? Okay. How about this? Okay. How about this? I'm going to place matchsticks. Yes, Aru, what is your question?
You forgot to check mine.
Yes, I think so too. Did I respond to you? Did you check?
Yeah, you.
No. Okay, answer came last after I discussed. That's why I did not. There were two people who gave. Vihan gave it also later. I did not check yours. Okay. So here we go. I have one triangle. Okay, I'm going to draw a table. Okay. So I'm going to draw a table for what? Number of triangles and number of matchsticks. Number of triangles and number of matchsticks. You guys get it? Okay, I'm just skipping between books. It's okay, guys. Okay, class, I want the class to be interesting too. Like, we keep on discussing the hard ones, then everybody becomes so frustrated. I don't want that as well. At the same time, I want to move on as well. If you have one triangle, I have 3 matchsticks. If I have 2 triangles, how many matchsticks are there? Shout out. It's okay to shout.
6.
6. If I have 3 triangles,
9.
if I have n triangles,
12.
n, where did the number 12 come?
0. 3N.
Who said that?
Me.
Good job, Anjali. Yeah, 3 times n. See? You see a pattern, you recognize the pattern, and then say for the letter. Got it, guys? Whenever you call n times 3, right? I'll tell you, in mathematics, right? We don't have the letter before the number. We'll always have 3 times n or 3n. If you put 3n, that means it is 3 times n. That is n plus n plus n. Repeatedly, you're adding n 3 times or 3 times n. Did you get it?
Yes.
See, this is basically 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So n plus n is 3n. You got it? So this is how you should be able to recognize patterns and tell me what comes for n. Now we draw diamonds. Okay? We draw diamonds. Okay? Now I'm going to draw. Let's see. I'm going to draw and show you for 3. Okay. So you have a pattern. Now number of diamonds, number of sticks. So see what happens? 1, 4. 2. Anybody shout out, guys? Let's shout on behalf of one another. Huh?
8. 12.
T. I have T diamonds.
T into T. T times 4. 4 times T. 4 times T.
Okay.
3 times 4. 4 times 3.
Yeah, 4. See, you always multiply by 4. Do you see the relation? There is a pattern. Recognizing patterns is a skill. So again, you multiply by 4, but again, you either write T times 4 or you write 4 times T or you can say 4T. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Can I move on?
Yes.
Good. That's nice. So you will be able to recognize patterns is what I am thinking. Correct? Okay, let's see this one. Okay, I want you to think about this pattern. This is a little tough one. Let's see whether we are able to do this. This one I don't want you to shout out, okay? We have shouted out, we have understood each other, we have understood what the other person said and nicely. So let's see. Always draw a table. If a table is not given, immediately you will go draw a table. Drawing a table is a special strategy in mathematics. So I will draw a table. I'm just given this. Okay. I want to know for n triangles. See, this has 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle. So let me draw a table. I can't do like this, okay? So I will write number of triangles. Always, for you to recognize pattern, write it out and see. Drawing a table is a strategy. Number of triangles, number of matchsticks, number of toothpicks or whatever, sticks. Okay, so 1 triangle you have 3. This is a little tricky. 2 triangles you have what?
Six.
No, I told you it's tricky.
Four.
No,
Five.
5. 3 triangles?
Seven.
Good. That makes it hard. For 4, what is it then? Think about it. What have they done?
Nine. Nine.
How did you get that? I don't know. 5?
Eleven.
Okay. 6?
13.
Good one. Okay. Now, if I have y triangles,
Why into the
Why?
two? Why two?
Why two or whatever?
how can it be y2, guys?
Why
two?
Y times 3?
Why
It
15?
can't be y times 3. This is not times 3.
Why
This is not.
times 2?
2y.
Y times 4?
2y.
Y times 1?
Okay, whenever before you shout out your answer, look at these numbers too and see whether it is working. And then you tell the answer. Y times 2, will it work? Can I do 2 times 2 to get a 5? Can I do 3 times 2 to get a 7?
Y times 7. 15. Y times 8.
Y times 8? 8 5 is, do I have 46 here?
2.5?
Y 15.
What is it? Y 15? 15 times 1. Do I have 15 sticks on the first one?
No.
Then Shreyank, go ahead and explain. Shreyank, tell me.
I sent my answer. Is it correct?
Oh, okay, I can check. Wait. I'm not looking at the chat window, ma. Wait, ma, please. I was thinking you are all shouting out. Wait. Shreyank, I'm checking. Ananya G, Y plus 7, No. Then in the first row, what should I have got? I should have gotten an 8. Did I get an 8? No, it's not a plus 7. Shri Mitran, I'm waiting for your answer. I thought you answered. Okay, Shreyank, I'm checking yours.
Why plus 2?
Not plus 2 because 1 plus 2 may be 3.
Y
Yes,
times
1 plus 2 may be 3, but 2 plus 2 is not 4. It's not a plus 2, it's something else. Shreyank, you are in the right path, but that's not correct. When you think about 3y plus 2, he has given 3y plus 2. Is 3y plus 2 correct? Put 1 and see. Put 1 and see. In place of y, put 1 and see. Is it a 5, Shreyank? No, it's a 3. So the 3y plus 2 is not correct.
Is it y times 3?
What, ma?
Y times 3.
If you just multiply this by 3, yes, you get this. But then this you don't get. Do you see? You have to apply the logic for at least 3 rows. See whether it's working and then tell. It is easy. It's not a hard one. Sri Mitran, did you apply the same thing for 3 rows and see?
Why into 2 plus 1?
Y times 8.
Y times 8?
Mm-hmm.
How can that be? 1 times 8 is 24 sticks, but given is 3. See, for every y, y is the input, meaning y is the number of triangles. Okay? Now, if you put anything here, plug in values 1, plug in value 2 for y. Are you getting this column, number of sticks? Then it is correct. Vishwa, your answer was correct, but I don't know how you got it. You're going to explain. It's not y plus 8, ma. Nivyana, did you add 8 in each of the row and see? Did you get it?
No.
Then that's not the answer. Vishwa, you go.
It's because 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1.
Times 2. He multiplied by 2 and then added a 1. Multiply by 2 and add a 1. Multiply by 2
2 is 2 plus 1, 3.
and add a 1. Multiply by 2, add a 1. See, that logic works everywhere. Multiply by 2, add a 1. Here, so how you need to write for y? How will you write for y, Shankari? How will you write that for y? Times 2 plus 1. How will you write it?
Y times 2 plus 1.
I was asking Shankari, I think. If I call out, I expect really it's nice of each of us to oblige and leave the person who is thinking to respond. Go ahead, ma.
Y times 2 plus 1.
Y times 2 plus 1. Good job. So that is your answer. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Vishwa, good job on that, Vishwa. Can I stop here, guys?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Do this. So we have a lot to be done today for your homework. You have a lot to be done. So you can do from page number 7 to 16 in the new book 3C. Okay. That was good one. That was a good class today.
3C now?
What is it, ma?
We're doing 3C?
Yeah. No. I just want to do the first unit of 3C. That's all. I'm going to go back to 3B. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, because if you know variables, a lot of things will become easy. Good job, Aru. Good job on the question. Okay. Any questions for me?
Nope.
Was it good today? Did you like
Nope.
this one
Yeah.
better?
Yeah.
I know, right? So that's why I thought, okay, today we'll take it easy rather than doing those same harder ones, right? This is a little easier and then interesting. We'll do this. We'll take this back to 3B. Okay. Any questions for me?
Can we do this every class?
We'll do this every class. Okay. We'll do it. Hey, Vishwa, you asked me for a problem. I didn't give it. I'll give it to you next week. You asked me, right? Which store has a better option? I forgot. I'll do that next week. Okay, guys? Yeah. Bye, guys. See you all next week. Have a good week ahead, okay? Page number 7 to page number 16. Yes. Bye, guys.
16, bye.
Bye, guys.
Priya.
Bye.
Bye, Priya.
Bye, guys. You're going to give me exactly 1 minute, Amma. You're going to give me 1 minute. Ananya. Yeah, Ananya G's audio, right? Is there a way? I mean, I don't know what is going on. Can you talk? Amma, please, the others, please wait, Amma.
Sorry, Priya. No, I was just checking. So,
See, if you talk, we have no problem. If you talk, we have no problem.
Oh, really?
No, it's not echoing for any of us.
It's exactly the same setup as what Ashwin has.
Yeah.
So-
Ashwin also, I don't have a problem. When you talk, there is no problem. But when she is in there, if she unmutes, meaning all our voices are echoing. Whoever talks, it's echoing. Then if I unmute her, everything goes fine.
Oh, that's very strange actually, because I even tried switching the microphones, but I think she's just a little louder. Maybe
It will help. Huh? See, now there is no problem. We are all here. You yourself will hear your echo. Okay, maybe next week when she's in, right, can one of you be there for a little while and then go?
Oh, sorry.
Hello?
So,
Hello?
so next week you're saying we
Yeah,
can
for
test
the
it out?
first 15 minutes, if you're there, right, you will know what is going on.
Yeah, sure. I can.
See, because now I'm not able to reproduce my reported issue at all, right? So how can you fix?
Okay. Yeah,
Sorry
sure.
about
I'll do that next week.
Yeah, but definitely there's a problem because 2-3 weeks, every week there's something going on in her audio.
Okay.
Okay, sorry and thanks. I really appreciate your time.
No problem. Yeah, we'll fix it next time.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, for the first 15 minutes, if you're there, we'll find out. Bye-bye.
Sure. Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, let's move on, guys. What did we want? Yeah, similarity. I want to do a lot of it today. Let's see. Okay. Any questions on the last week's homework similarity?
I didn't get to finish it because I saw that you posted it yesterday, I believe.
Yeah, I posted it late. Later, oh, I posted it later.
Yeah, you posted it on Friday.
Yeah, ma'am, please check with me, ma. I think I gave you time to write then.
Yes, I finished half of it. I just didn't submit it yet.
See, I did see that and I posted it late when I was teaching the other class.
It's because we have a test on this next week, so I did that for like extra practice.
Sure, and we will be meaning I want to do a lot more in similarity today. But as see, we finish congruence and we are on to similarity now. Unless you follow with the homework, school is going to be hard with similarity. Okay, because congruence and similarity are so confusing for the first time people. Yes, ma. Tell me. Someone was talking and I interrupt. And since I was talking, I wanted to finish. What was that? What was that?
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I finished the homework like yesterday night.
Oh, it was easy.
Yeah.
No, I think I was late and I did give you 5 more days time. I'm sorry about it. Can I move on? If it's not posted, just ping me in WhatsApp, guys. I will definitely make sure it's posted. I
Miss
tried.
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
there was like two or three questions I didn't understand.
Can I go there?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'll go there. Geometry.
Oh yeah, also Miss Priya, I'm pretty sure like one of the answers in the answer key was wrong.
Please, let's go over that. I need to correct it then, right? If there is a problem, let's see. This one, first two parts of similarity, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you go to my document? Because that's where I starred the questions I didn't know.
Okay. I'll definitely go, Makeyura.
Okay.
What was the question number?
Me?
What was the
Oh,
question?
wait, let me get my iPad. Let me see.
Okay, you go and then I'll go to Keyura's now. I saw several of yours. Let's see.
I turned it in, so it should be.
Yeah, I saw Keyura's. Okay.
Yeah, I got it, Miss Priya.
1 minute, Amma, 1 minute. I'm discussing with Keyura. 1 minute.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead,
It's on the first document.
I really loved the way you did it. It's on the first document.
It like go down. Yeah, right there, that one with the star.
You know what? We did it in class.
We did.
Yes, the dimensions of a 17-inch panel computer screen are approximately this by this. So, see, the first length divide by, so 13 1 by 4 divide by 10 3 by 4. You have to verify whether it is equal to 14 1 by 2 divide by 12. This is just fraction division. You got it?
Yeah, and then there's one more on the second part.
Absolutely, I'll go there. Yeah, on the second part. I'll go there, ma, wait. You would have, see, I really like you doing it this way. Putting a star, coming back and asking this is the best you can do to understand things.
If you go up, the one with the question marks. I didn't understand how to do it.
Okay, I'm going to quickly go over and then go to Dhruv. Cell phone tower cell phone tower, okay, is casting a 100-foot shadow. Let me draw the shadow. This is my shadow. At the same time, a 4-foot 6-inch post near the tower. Okay. At the same time, a 4-foot, this is the post. Okay.
Okay.
4-foot 6-inch post casts a shadow that is 3 feet 4 inches. Okay. Find the height of the tower. Here, the thing is, what you need to understand is, me and my shadow will be the same ratio as the post and its shadow. That will be the same ratio as cell phone tower and its shadow. You see?
So I would do like 100 by x is equal to 3.4 by 4.6.
Correct.
Okay.
It is not 3.4, right? 3 feet 4 inches means you have to see what it is. 3 4 by 12, right, ma?
Oh, okay.
3 1 by 3 divided by 4 6 by 12. You got it?
I think that's where I got it wrong because I was using 3.4 instead of that.
3.4 doesn't work, ma. 3.4 is not the inches, right? 3 4 by 12 is the inches. That is 3 1 by 3. That is 3.33333 inches. You have to be careful.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Good. Like this, if you do, you'll really follow geometry. Honestly, I tell you. Okay. So, if you have questions, put a question mark like this. See, it's so easy to go over now. This is what I expect from each of you. But yeah. Okay, this is a wonderful way. Really. Now let's go to Dhruv. Sahana has something. Hey, Yama, no problem, Sahana. With you, I've talked to your mom. We'll do something about it. Okay, I know what is going on and how busy you are. Let's see. Okay, Dhruv, go ahead, ma. Go ahead, Dhruv.
If you, it's like on the last page, I'm pretty sure, or like the last page of the homework.
Sure, I'll go there. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you passed it. Can you scroll up?
Yeah.
This is the answer key. Yeah. So, question 17.
Question which one, ma?
17.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do. Oh, see, when you see a green thing, right? It is a higher order thinking question. Higher order thinking question means it is a tricky question. Let's see.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. But usually, identify the
So
separate triangle. Let's see. Identify the separate.
I got 15 as my answer. X equals 15.
Okay.
Oh wait, never mind. I get it. What I did. Never mind.
Okay. Particularly when it is green shaded, right? It's a higher.
Oh, it was asking for ST. I thought it was asking for X. Never mind.
Ah, I see. Okay, got
Oh,
it. Okay, that's good.
after.
No, I'm glad you clarified. Okay, we'll go on. Mitran, did you have any questions?
No.
Vinisha, did you have any questions? How are you doing in school, Vinisha?
I'm doing good. I have a test tomorrow and it's mainly on proofs, but it's
Proofs of similarity? Proofs
yeah,
of...
but it's really simple proofs, so I think I'll be fine.
Oh, see, that's what I'm going to discuss today, though. Meaning, similarity is what I'm going to discuss today. Similarity, a lot of similarity. I have a chunk to be discussed in this class today. Can we go on? Okay, let's see. Okay. I know I downloaded this. Hold on. Yep, I have it ready so that I don't rely. Yes. Okay. So I just want to do some proofs first. Okay. So let's see. Shall we do? We'll do a two-column proof, but before that, okay. No, after that, I want to do a flowchart proof. Let's see. Do you all remember flowchart proof? I don't know. Okay. First, we'll do a. First, we'll do a two-column proof itself. Okay. I'll share, but I don't want to. I'm trying to do a chunk today. Let's see. How about this? You're going to do a two-column proof, okay? Statement reasoning. Then we'll go to I'll change it to a flowchart proof. Go ahead. Given. I'll write given. Everybody knows that we need to do that. Okay, given. Then what do I do? QT is parallel. So what do I do, guys?
You have to. You can say
Angle Q is
PQT is equal to PQS. Angle PQT is equal to angle PRS.
Angle PQT. Okay. PQT is equal lemma. See.
Congruent. Sorry, congruent.
Congruent. We are in geometry.
to PRS.
Yep.
Because of
Corresponding angles.
corresponding angles. Yeah.
Yeah. So they're parallel means these two are equal. You're saying okay. Corresponding angle postulate.
And you can also say PSR is congruent to PTQ. Or PTQ angle PTQ is congruent to angle PSR.
You know, if I want to be really geometry person, I will take my time to write PQT is the measure of angle PQT
No,
is equal to
PTQ.
Ilma, 1 minute. I will write this.
Oh,
Writing
okay.
this is better, but sometimes we skip this. I'll say this one and say definition of
Congruent.
Congruent angles.
And then you have to, and then you do PTQ. Angle PTQ is congruent to angle PSR.
So this is an object, okay? When you say the angle is an object, but measure is a number, so you put equal to. Okay. Now this is corresponding angles postulate.
And then you do the same thing. Measure of angle PTQ is equal to measure.
PTQ is equal to, because it's a number, measure is a number, PRS. So you will say definition of congruent angles.
And then you'd say triangle PRS
PRS
is congruent. I mean,
similar.
Similar to triangle PQT.
Mm.
A similarity.
A similarity, correct. Any questions?
Yes, I had a clarification question. So, like, if we were to do this, like, taking angle PQT is congruent to PRS, and then writing the measure of PQT equals a measure of PRS, and instead of doing angle PTQ, can't we write the angle P is congruent to angle P because they're reflexive, because it's a part of both triangles?
Absolutely.
So, like, would that just be a reflexive property?
Yeah, it was.
Angle P, would
Is
it
equal
be a
to.
reflexive property? Yes. Yeah, it would be a reflexive property, correct.
Okay, I just wanted to clarify.
Yep, it would be a reflexive property. That's perfect. Instead of these two or these two, you can do that, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, Miss Priya, what's a flow proof again? I forgot.
What is it?
A flow proof.
Oh, that's what I wanted to revise one time. Basically, what do you do? Meaning, like a flow chart you represent, right? Meaning, I really want you to remember that. That's why I brought it up. Meaning, it's okay to have the statement reason proof, but then what will you do? You will write this as given. QT is parallel to SR. Okay, that is given. You will write the reasoning outside. And then you'll draw arrows. Next is, if that is the case, right, you'll have two cases. For the same proof I'll write. I'm not going to change the proof because that will confuse you. Now you will say, what you'll say, this one you're going to write it here. Angle PQT is congruent to angle PRS. Similarly, you'll say, but this will also lead to measure of PQT is equal to measure of PRS. So this is another box.
So is it basically
Similarly,
the same thing with arrows?
yeah, with arrows, yes.
Okay.
Oh,
We never
okay.
discussed this, huh?
No, I think
No, we have. I just forgot.
I don't remember discussing it.
Okay, so this is important. Quite meaning you have to know three ways, right? One is statement reasoning, one is flowchart proof, another is paragraph proof. Three types of proofs you need to know per geometry. Here it would be, I'll go ahead and write angle PTQ is congruent to PSR. So measure of, please don't just write that, but you need to write corresponding angles postulate. Then you will write definition of, underneath you need to write congruent angles. Like that you need to do. Similarly, corresponding angles postulate. Similarly, you'll write definition of congruent angles. That was measure of PTQ is equal to measure of PRS. After all this, what you need to do? You need to join these two, right? And then join these two, and then you need to proceed with this to the right side, okay? Finally, you're going to say triangle PRS is congruent to PQT. What is the reasoning?
Similar. Similar.
Like this, you're going to write. That's all. So you can easily convert a statement proof to flowchart proof. But you see the way there should be a logical sequencing. That's what is important. And then this you're going to combine, take it to the right side, and then write the last one. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? I don't want an easy one. Let's see. This one, write a two-column proof. Similarity, this time I want two other people to rise up and tell me the reasonings. Okay, how about this? Statement, reason. Can we try that? There can be multiple ways to prove, okay? I am open to hear whatever you have rather than me saying, hey, this is how you do this.
You could do given first. So, given A, B, C, D is trapezoid.
Okay, let's do. A, B, C, D is a trapezoid. Given. No?
Could you say corresponding angles for A and B, or is that I still don't really know my proofs very well. So.
Don't worry at all. Then that's when you have to rise up and shout out some answer, some wrong answer, so there'll be people to correct you. Go ahead.
would corresponding angles work for angle DAB and CDA?
They wouldn't work because they didn't give us that they're parallel lines.
But they have given something. 1 minute. Ashrita, to answer your question, it will work. Corresponding angles will work since you know a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has one set of parallel lines, right?
Do we put that
And
in
to
the
answer, 1 minute, ma. To answer Kura, right? These two are not corresponding angles, ma. These two angles was what you said.
No, I was talking about the A and the B.
No, you said DAB.
DAB and CDA.
That's what you said.
CBA. I meant that.
But DAB is not similar to CBA, right? Oh, I know what you're meaning. These two?
Yeah.
These two are
No,
not
I meant the full angle. The full
the
angle.
full angle here,
Yeah.
but it's not given as an isosceles trapezoid, right? If only it's given as an isosceles trapezoid, then I can say base angles are equal, right?
Okay.
So I don't know how to prove it for that matter. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead, Dhruv. You had something. Go ahead.
We can say that line AB is parallel to line DC because of definition of trapezoid.
Right, let's see. Let's go one by one. A, B, C, D is a trapezoid. Okay, given. And then AB is parallel to DC. Why? Definition of trapezoid. Okay, and then, but after that,
APD is congruent to BPC.
huh?
APD is congruent to BPC.
How?
Vertical angles.
But only one angle is there, right? Then what?
I don't know.
Okay, you know what, in these scenarios, right, what I do, I'll tell you what I do. See here, dp by pb. First, let's see what we need to prove. Dp by pb, okay, that is the same as cp by pa. Do you see what similarity you need to prove now? What similarity you need to prove?
SS.
Lemma, see, which two angles are similar you need to prove, I'm asking.
Oh, we can do
Clearly see, those belong to the side of these two triangles, you see.
Yeah.
So our criteria should be to prove that those two triangles are similar. But how to prove that they are similar? I don't know, we'll see.
Wait, can't we
But
do?
it can also be, yeah, sorry.
Can't we do angle ABC is ABC? No, ABP. Angle ABP is congruent to angle
Before I go there, I'll listen to you, Ashrita. But what I said, see, they want, these are the sides that they are talking about. Okay, the thing is, those set of sides can be either these two triangles, or it can also stem from these two triangles. You see. It can be either way. Whichever is easier for you to prove, you have to prove. If you prove that the yellow triangle is similar to the yellow triangle or the black triangle is similar to the black triangle, then it's very easy because they are the corresponding sides, corresponding ratio. Okay, now Ashrita, I'm listening to you. Go ahead, ma.
Can't we say angle ADP is congruent?
ADP, okay.
Is congruent to angle PBC?
PBC. Why, ma?
Because of alternate interior angles?
We are never discussing this as a line. How can that be?
No, I took DC and AB as parallel, and then I took.
Yeah, if you take DC and AB as parallel lines, which are the corresponding angles?
No, I said alternate interior angles.
That won't work because AB and BC are in parallel.
Yeah, see, Ashrita, these two are alternate interior angles. In which case, when what? Wait. These two are not alternate interior angles at all, is my thought. Yeah, these two are not alternate interior angles, right, ma? I'll tell you. If these two are parallel lines, right? And you're considering this as a transversal, right? Then which is the alternate interior angle? This full thing and this thing. You got it? Am I making sense, Ashruta?
Yes.
Yeah, so the choice of angle is incorrect, but something else is right though. Tell me, your route is correct.
Could we do angle PAB is congruent to PCD
I
because of
like it.
alternate
I like it.
interior?
I really like it. Yes, these two are alternate. Considering this is these two lines are parallel, these two are alternate interior angles. Which is the transversal, Mavinisha here?
The two parallel lines.
Yeah, AB and DC are parallel lines. So which two are alternate interior angles? BAC, DCA. Am I making sense?
Miss Priya, do we put the measure of angle BAC is equal to measure of angle DCA?
Yeah, it is nice if you put it, but yeah, it just depends. It's so subjective. I would really like to see that being put out. See,
Also, after this, we can do APB is congruent to DPC.
yep. Now you got it. What is that, ma? Can you repeat?
APB
APB. Oh, yeah, you can do that. Correct. APB
is congruent to DPC
is congruent to DPC. Correct. Oh, I was thinking of the other angle. Okay.
because of the
This can
alternate.
also be, see, this can also act as a transversal. I was thinking, but that's fine. See, I would like to go your way rather than you going my way. Go ahead.
That would be vertical angles.
Yeah, so this and this are equal to vertical angles. So this one is vertical angles, vertical angle theorem.
Then you can say triangle APB is congruent to triangle DPC.
Yep, give me 1 minute.
No, I'm sorry, CPD.
Congruent angle definition. And last one is triangle.
Triangle APB is congruent to triangle CPD.
Is congruent, Amma.
Yeah, congruent.
Won't it be
Fine.
similar?
Similar. My bad.
Yeah, similar. Similar to triangle. Tell me the order.
CPD.
A, P, B.
CPD, because the angles. They're supposed to match.
PD, yes. Yes,
C-
PD. So what similarity? A is similarity. Then
Uh,
what will you put?
is there like a theorem for this?
Yeah, statement proof.
Or a proportion or something?
Yeah, if it is congruence, what will you put? If it is
Yeah,
congruence,
it is congruency plus CPC.
CPCTC you'll put, but for similar triangles, what will you put is corresponding. Okay, then you'll just write this down. DP by PB, DP by PB, DP by
PB.
DP by PB na appo idu thappu. This is wrong. ABP.
No, it isn't wrong.
ABP CPD. Yeah, you're right. Then they've given
It's just in the wrong order.
yeah. They've given it in the wrong order. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, now I erase that. Now let's go back. Statement, reason. So what did you say? Yeah, DP. We'll do this. DP by PB equal to CP by
PA.
So why? You can just write corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Make sense? Proportional.
CSC.
That's all, right?
CSCTP.
No, there is no CPCCT. Nothing of that sort. Okay, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional is more than enough. Can we move on? There's nothing, meaning there is no acronym that you can equate it to CPCTC. Shall we go ahead? Shall we go ahead?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how about this? You want to do more proofs or can I move on? Okay. Okay, guys. How about this one? I'm going to give you a problem. Just tell me A, B, C, D. So that way I understand whether you guys understood or not. How about this? This one I have. And then I have this figure. You are going to write the proportion for this. Okay. And then oh my God, what I'm doing. Okay. Here, this is the diagram. I'm going to give you 4 options. You're going to choose which one is correct. Okay. And then I'm going to give you BC by DC, AB by FD. BC by DC equal to AB by FD, and then there is one more option I would like to give you on this. ABC FDC. ABC is congruent to FDC, which is correct, Amma?
Wait, Miss Priya, wouldn't it just be A? Wait, oh, never mind.
Go ahead.
Wait, we're saying what would not prove it, right?
What was that, Ma?
We're the answer we're picking is what would not prove this.
Correct.
Okay, can you check my answer?
You can check your answer, definitely. Correct, Kayura. Okay, I think you're all good with this. We'll move on, guys, okay? But we'll go to triangle proportionality theorem. Okay, there's a lot more to do. Triangle proportionality theorem. And then, yeah, there's a lot more. Triangle proportionality theorem, and then what? Review I'm not going to do. You're going to do by yourself. And then special segments in similar triangles. Oh wow, yes. Special segments in similar triangles we'll prove, and after that triangle proportionality theorem, special segments in similar triangles, and after that that's it. Yep, there's a lot of reviews, so you can do a lot of work. Mitransh, not really Mitransh. Vinisha, don't doubt, that's correct. Nabiha, correct, ma. Ashruta, not really, not quite Dhruv. Okay, let's discuss this. Which of the following would not be sufficient to prove ABC and FDC? Okay. You're saying ABC, FDC. See, if they give you this D, right, Ashruta and Dhruv, if they give you that, right, you already know vertical angles are equal. So A similarity can prove it, right? So this is
Actually my mistake.
yeah. No worries at all. And then Dhruv, did you get it? Okay. Now they're saying what Dhruv?
I just realized it was wrong.
No worries. Okay, now look at the rest of the stuff. BC by DC. BC by DC equal to AC by FC. See, that is not enough, right? AC by, oh, is it enough? Yeah, it's still enough because SAS, included angle, we already know. So this is not the answer as well. Let me erase these off. Let's do the B. BC by DC. BC by DC. AC by FC. AB by FT. Oh, this proves SSS similarity, right? Directly it says the sides are all proportional. So this can also be used to prove. Now, the last one we have is C. BC by DC. BC by DC equal to AB by... if they give you this, I have SSA. That's not a similarity, right?
Yeah.
SSS, SAS and AA. So that will not prove. This is not a similarity. So this is your answer. Any questions? Mahir, are you following, ma'am? Can I move on? Okay, how about this? Let's go ahead. Okay. Now, I want to go ahead with this. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, triangle proportionality theorem we'll go ahead and discuss. What is this triangle proportionality theorem? A review, you can do it by yourself. There's a review on the proofs and all this stuff. Okay, we are just going to discuss the triangle proportionality theorem in similar triangles. Let's see this one. If a segment is parallel, see, what is this triangle? This is a very important theorem. Okay, everywhere they ask this. If a segment is parallel to one of this is one side of the triangle. Okay, ST is a segment that's parallel to one of the sides of the triangle. Okay, and this, we are talking about this line segment ST. ST intersects the other two sides of the triangle, right? Here, see, we have a triangle. Okay, we are drawing a line segment ST. Right, the triangle is PQR. Okay, we are trying to draw a line segment ST that is parallel to this side, and also intersects the other two sides of the triangle, right? If that is done right, then this line segment ST divides those sides proportionally. That means the ratio of this by this will be equal to this by this. Make sense? Okay, they are in proportion. PT by TR is in proportion to PS by SQ. Or you can say PT by PS will be equal to TR by SQ. Whatever, meaning they are in proportion means the ratio of this by this is the same as this by this. That's what it means. Say PS by SQ will be equal to PT by TR. Any questions? This by this is equal to this by this. That is a triangle proportionality theorem. It can be applied in very different ways. Let's see. Any questions on that? Any questions on that? Okay. Now, what is the converse of this theorem? That's quite important.
Miss Priya?
I
can't turn on my video because I'm in the car.
No problem at all. Thanks for letting me know. What is the converse of this theorem? Converse means the hypothesis and conclusion interchanged. We said if they are parallel, then this was true. Now we change that. If they are proportional, this by this equal to this by this, then we can say that ST is parallel to QR. So the converse of the theorem is just the hypothesis and the conclusion interchanged. Now, there's one more thing. What is a mid-segment? We did when we did trapezoid. What is the mid-segment? What is the mid-segment?
It's the line that's in between the top one.
Yeah. For a trapezoid, we discussed this already. Let's say PQR. We want to know about mid-segment theorem. Okay, here mid-segment is the midpoint of PQ is S, midpoint of PR is T, right? Then this line segment is called the mid-segment. Okay, and this mid-segment is equal to half of its parallel line. Make sense?
So if QR would equal to like 6, then the mid-segment would be 3.
Yep. So proportionality theorem and mid-segment theorem is what we have learned. Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya, for a trapezoid, it would be like something like this, right? Oh yeah, you got it.
Yeah, go ahead.
So like that, right? So then with the line over here, and then the mid segment would be like half of the bottom one. So how about the top one?
Did we do the half of bottom one? What did we do in mid-segment theorem of a
We
trapezoid?
did it one half. If this is like Q and like R, then the mid segment would be half of QR, right?
Did we do like that there? We did that in quadrilaterals, right? Remember? Let me go there. Did we do? I thought we did on that, but is that right? What you're saying?
I don't know.
Don't remember.
Yeah.
But did we not do that exactly? I am thinking. Who remembers it? You know what? I'm even not able to see anything. Okay, I'm trying to look at something, guys. Hold on. Do you remember? Anybody remembers? When we discussed trapezoids, we discussed that, right? Not able to look at the exact assignment. I don't know why. Okay. Did we do mid-segment for a trapezoid? When we discussed trapezoid, did we do mid-segment theorem or not? I felt like we did.
Oh, I think I remember. You have to add the two bases.
That's nice. Good job. So, for the trapezoid, the mid-segment theorem, let's say this was ST. ST was equal to half of this is what I remembered too, right? Make
Yeah.
sense? Can I move on?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
mid-segment theorem of the trapezoid was a little different from the triangle. I'm glad you brought it up, Dhruv. That was a good one. Bringing it up and reviewing it was a good one. Okay. Now, let's say triangle EFG has vertices. Triangle, let me write it down for you. This is, okay. I'm going to reposition certain things. Hold on. Oh my gosh. You're going to give me a minute. Wow. Yeah, I would like to see it like this. You're going to give me 1 minute. I'm repositioning the screen. Hold on. But you know what? I'm not able to see what I want to. Too many things open. Hold on. Okay. Now let's go ahead with this one. Let's say I have triangle EFG. Okay. Now you have vertices ES minus 4 comma minus 1, FS 2 comma 5. Okay. Now in this scenario, GS 2 comma minus 1, GS 2 comma minus 1, K is the midpoint of EG. Okay, H is the midpoint of FG. You're going to do this, okay? Okay. Now, you want this to be drawn? Okay, I can quickly draw this as well. How about this? Okay, I will draw this as. I'll draw it like this. Okay, F H G K E. Okay, now I want you to do one thing. Okay, you cannot, I just want to know whether, or you have to prove, okay, EF is parallel to KH. How can you do that? And then I want you to prove that yeah, I also want you to find out what is KH. What is KH? Length of that. How do you prove that? Can we discuss this first? Number 1, number 2. I want to prove EF is parallel to KH and the length of KH is what I want you to find out. How do you do it?
For the first one, can't we do EH over EF equals EK over EG?
What, ma?
To prove the first one, can't we do EH over HF equals EK over KG and then like find the distance?
You are going to prove the proportionality, huh? But for you to just prove two lines are parallel, what is the best way? For you to prove lines are parallel, right? In geometry, what do you do?
You just find the slope of both of them.
You just find the slope. See, this is all the points are given here, right? All the points are given here. This is 2, minus 1. E, F, G points are given. Okay. Did I make a mistake in giving you? Oh, this is K and G. Oh my god. Okay. 1 second.
For the way I
think I made a mistake in the diagram.
Yeah, because how can EF have the same slope as HK?
No,
isn't
no.
that
I have to
the
prove
big segment?
EF is parallel to KH, right, ma? EH is so what I need to prove here? I have to prove that these two lines are parallel, right, ma?
Yeah.
You know the midpoints. Finding, because see, you have this, you have this. You can find the midpoint here. You have this, you have this. You can find the midpoint here. Now you know all the coordinates. Just find the slope of this, find the slope of this, prove they are parallel. Am I making sense? Does it explain? Ashrita, does it explain?
Yes.
Okay. And the length of KH will also be easy because it's just the distance formula.
Okay.
Do you want to do or can I move on? You guys have to say, guys, because I don't know.
You can move on.
Vibha, can I move on or you want me to do that on the board?
No, you can move on.
Okay. How about this? Okay. There are other things that you need to know. We discussed proportionality, right? Proportionality theorem. Now, we want to discuss proportional parts of parallel lines. Okay. Now, we are going to consider 3 lines cut by 2 transversals. I'm going to call them L1, L2, L3. Okay, I'm going to call them L1, L2, L3. I'm going to call these 2 lines as T and S. Okay, now I'm going to call this as AB. This as A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This is proportional parts of parallel lines. Now, if 3 or more lines are parallel and they intersect two transversals intersect the 3 parallel lines when you look at them, right? The 2 transversals intersect L1, L2, L3. If this is the case, right, the transversals cut the lines proportionally. The transversal, or we can say the parallel lines cut off the transversals proportionally. The parallel lines are cutting off the transversals proportionally. That means what?
So that means
Go ahead.
That means A by B is equal to C by D.
Correct. If L1, L2, L3 are parallel, the parallel lines are cutting off the transversals proportionally, means A by B equal to C by D. This is proportional parts of parallel lines, very similar to the triangle proportionality theorem. Shall I go ahead? Now, I don't want to change the diagram, but I want to give you one more. Congruent parts of parallel lines. Guys, you have to remember so many things starting here. So, Congruent parts of parallel lines, what happens is, same thing, okay? If L1, L2, L3 are parallel, T and S are transversals, in this case, suppose, let's say the parallel lines cut off, the parallel lines are cutting off congruent segments on one transversal. If the parallel lines are cutting off congruent segments on one transversal, then the parallel lines will cut off congruent segments on every transversal. What does that mean? What does that mean? If L1 is parallel to L2 is parallel to L3 and A is congruent to B, what happens? Then what? The three parallel lines are making congruent they cut congruent segments on the transversal T, right?
Oh, so then would C be equal to congruent to
Yeah.
D?
Then they will cut congruent segments on every transversal they are cutting. So C is congruent to D on S, on the line S. Once you understand, you can write it in your own words. Any questions here? It will be very easy provided you understand what we did, what we discussed. Shall I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? I'm going to give you, can I erase this and give you one problem? Let me see. How about this? Oh my god, what drawing I'm doing? Oh, my writing pad is so messed up. 1 second, guys. Clearly wrong. Oh wow. Okay, how about this? How about this? You're going to find out, okay? I'll mark it down for you. Find X and Y. Not a hard one, but you need to remember what we did. That's all. You really need to remember what we discussed. Sahana, do you get some idea on this, what you need to do, ma?
A little bit.
A little bit. Where are we missing? Tell me.
I just need to practice.
Oh, illama, meaning, are you able, meaning, I can help you get something more out of this. Do you think you can solve this? Not really, ma? No, if it's not really, you can tell not really. Then I have to go through that. That's what it means.
Wait, Miss Priya?
Hmm.
Or can I solve it?
You want to solve it? Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So
These
since
are parallel lines, right?
yeah, so since 2x plus 4 is congruent to
See,
10.
the marking clearly says this line segment is equal to this. So I can equate this
So
to
2x
this, as
plus
he
4
says. Yes.
is equal to 10, x is equal to 6. X equals 3, my bad. 3.
Yep. And this side what happens? Same thing happens for it. This is a transversal, right, ma?
So
So the
like
same.
said before, right? So 2y plus 2 is equal to 9. And y is equal to 3.5.
2.5, yeah.
3.5.
3.5. Sahana, are you getting it, Sahana?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, I have to go now.
Yeah, you go. You go, please.
Okay.
Yeah, bye-bye. See you next week, but do the homework though, okay? It should be easy. How about, hold on. Okay, triangle proportionality theorem. What else I want to see, guys? Hold on. What more is there? Okay, this one you can take it Okay, special segments of similar triangles is something more. Okay. Okay, how about this? Should we do this later or no? I don't know. Okay, let's do the special segments of similar triangles. Let's do this, okay? Special segments of similar triangles. See, all these are similar triangles. Okay, when triangles are similar, there are some special segments that can also be similar. So, corresponding altitude. What is the altitude of a triangle? From this vertex, if I drop down and make a 90-degree angle to the opposite base, this is my altitude. Right? What is an angle bisector? If I talk about an angle bisector means I draw it can be a cross line, it can be a crooked line, but then the angle should be bisected. You see, the angle should be cut exactly into two. Then this is an angle bisector. Right? What is a median? From here, let's say from here, from one of the vertex I need to start. It can be crooked line as well. I want to draw it better for you to see the change weight. Okay, this one, right? 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. See, 1 second, guys. So here, if I draw this line and make sure the base is cut into two, right? That is called the median. Any questions here? You're going to give me exactly 1 minute. Sorry, guys. Go ahead. So now, if you have two similar triangles, in the first scenario we had ABC similar to FHG. Then see, AD by FG. What is this? This is the altitude, right? Is equal to AB by FG. The ratio, see, whatever ratio you formed for the sides earlier should be the same ratio for the altitudes. Similarly, that should be the same ratio for the angle bisector, RT by LP or LP by RT. Make sense? The third one is median. You're okay, Vibha?
Yeah.
Don't get frustrated at all. So here, CD by YZ. The thing is, whatever proportionality we write for the sides of the triangles should be in the same ratio. The ratio is exactly the same for the corresponding angle by for the corresponding altitudes, for the corresponding angle bisectors, and for the corresponding medians. Any question? Okay. A lot of things to go to the mind today. Okay. Now let's do 1 or 2 problems in this. I'll take another 2-3 minutes of your time, guys. Okay. How about this? I want some. Okay. Also. Okay. Let's see. Based on perimeter, I want to do one work. Okay. How about this? Okay, I want to give you two different types of problems. One is based on the perimeter and the other one based on all. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah. How about this one? It's a good one. Can you do this quickly? Next, I'll get you the problem. Okay. We didn't work on the perimeter though, right? We didn't work on the perimeter though. See, the thing what it says is for the perimeter, right? The corresponding side proportion that you do, right? The corresponding sides you write out a proportion, right? That is the same as the perimeter as well. Perimeter of, let's say, I'll go ahead and explain that perimeter thing. Just like angle bisector, right? Just like median, just like altitude, right? For two triangles that are similar, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's say A, B, C is similar to D, E, F. In this case, you will say, hey, AB by DE will be equal to BC by EF will be equal to AC by DF, correct? I can as well say perimeter of ABC. The top is the left triangle, right? Yeah. Perimeter of ABC is divided by the perimeter of DEF. I can as well say, if I draw an altitude like this, I can clearly say AO by DT, altitude. And then next, I'll go ahead and draw. Simply, I'm summarizing whatever we discussed. I'm drawing a median. I'm drawing a median like this. I'll say ZP. If that's say BZ by EP. And then for the median I drew, for the altitude I drew. And then let's say I'll call an angle bisector now. This is what totally it says. I just summarized. This is an angle bisector where this is equal to this. Similarly, this is an angle bisector equal to this. And I am going to mark it as WU. So, this is equal to CW by FU. This is the summary of whatever we discussed for the special segments. You know how to write this. I'm saying the same ratio applies to its perimeter, the same ratio applies to its altitude, the same ratio applies to the angle bisector, the same ratio, this is median, this is angle bisector. Corresponding angle bisector ratio, corresponding median ratio, corresponding altitude ratio, corresponding perimeter ratio is the same as the ratio of their sides. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay, I'm thinking all of you got it, right? So why don't you solve this one problem? Another 2 minutes I'll let you go, okay? But we'll do this and go. So you can take your homework on your own. If you don't get it, I'll help. But I think these are easy, provided you understand. Yeah.
Miss Priya, could you explain it one more time? Like, I understood your explanation, but I'm confused of how that works over here.
On this one?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Triangle DEF. Okay. If, oh wow, wait. What did I make a mess with? Hold on. Did I give you the full problem? Okay, you just need to find the perimeter of triangle DEF, that's all. I want to find the perimeter of triangle DEF. That's what you need to find. Okay, so let's see what they've given. I will explain this if you want to. DEF, CBF, DEF, CBF. They are similar triangles. Okay. Now, perimeter of CBF is given. Perimeter of CBF is given, right? Then I can say perimeter of DEF. That ratio I can write down. Okay. So this is basically given. What I don't know is perimeter of DEF. I don't know. That's what we need to find. This is perimeter is given as 27. Okay. Now perimeter is the same ratio of their sides. So when I discuss their sides, DF is given, right? So CF is as well given. So I can say this is equal to DF by CF, right? Because corresponding ratio of their sides is the same as the...
Shouldn't it be CF over DF? Because we took triangle CBF on the top.
Oh, yes, ma, yes. CF by DF. CF by... The orders only confuse you a lot, honestly. So here CF by DF na, so it is 8 by 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
So x will be equal to cross multiplication. 27 times 6 by 8. 3 4s are 8.
It's 2.25.
Huh?
2.25.
2.25. Yeah. I'm getting a bigger number. Are you getting 2.25? I don't think so, right? Ma? Ashita, you made a simple mistake. What is it? Is it 2.25? How is 2.25? How is it 2.25? What is 54 by 4? How many 4s go in 5? 1, 4, 1.
Wait, where do you get 54 from?
54, 54, yeah, 54 by 4, right, ma? But what did you get? 27 times 6 by 8, right?
Yeah, so I
3
did
2s are
27
oh,
times
2
6.
3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, so 27 times 3 is Lemma. It's not 2.25 though. 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 7, 81 by 4. Huh? Did you get 81 by 4? Okay,
Yeah.
maybe you multiplied bigger, I think. Okay, 81 divided by 4 is 4 2s are 8, remainder is
Still
0.
2.25.
Huh?
Still 2.25.
No, you bring down the one, ask the question how many. See, 81 when you divide by 4, will it be 2.25? Sanity check fails. How many 4s in 1? 0. 4 zeros are 0. 1 remainder. Again put a 0. Put a 2. 8. 2. 5. 20.25.
2.25.
20.25. Any questions, guys? Okay, can I give you homework in this? Would you be able to handle?
Yeah.
Yeah, till special parts, special segments of similar triangles, I'll give you proofs in similar triangles. Then I'll go to proportionality theorem. Proportional parts of parallel lines I'll go over, and then special segments in triangles. We'll do all and a review for all. Okay, so please do the problems. Otherwise, it's very confusing at school when they do. If you create a gap now. Okay, but I'll post it right now. Okay, any questions? I'll post it, give you 7 days time. Any questions?
No.
Okay, shall we stop here? See you all next week. One thing, guys, is anybody trying to do CB in this class? Huh?
I'm doing
No,
CB.
no, for geometry.
Okay.
For geometry, because what happens is nobody is doing geometry CB in this class. Oh, that's interesting. You're going to see then probability. Okay, I'll be starting to share assessments. Okay, unit wise assessments in geometry for the others. Even if you're not doing CBE, please do it. It'll be very useful for your PSAT preparation and stuff. You don't have to sit and slog with geometry. You can remember things. Okay, unit wise assessments I'll share for CBE. Other than that, there's a separate assessment set that I want you to work on before going for the exam. One another biggest issue would come is I will not be able to complete 3D, 2D geometry and probability before the exam. Those are big parts of geometry because you're going to write the CBE exam in April, right? I will try to push as much as I can. However, brain
Miss
should
Priya,
also. Yeah, ma?
mine's is in May.
In May, okay, then you're good. I don't need to explain. Good, then you're good. We'll be finishing by May. Okay, any questions for me? Hey, Mitranj, you're in Frisco SD, right?
Prosper ISD.
Prosper. Okay, then you don't have a problem at all. Okay. Hey, Mitranj, if you're in Prosper, did you check well whether you want to take CBE? Because you know what? If you take CBE, the grade level GPA is only applicable. That was the latest from Prosper. The circular came in July. Did you know that?
No.
Can you check with your mom on that? There is a special circular that has come out in July which clearly states if you take CBE, you will be given on grade level GPA, not the geometry GPA. Check with your mom on that, okay?
Okay.
Then only you should decide whether you want to take. Let me know. Ask your mom to ping me or discuss with your mom and let me know.
Okay.
I'm glad we discussed that today. Okay, any other questions for me?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
It is like, are there any slots available like for Friday batch for like
Yes, ma, you
geometry?
can. No, see, I'm pretty flexible. You can come.
Okay, thank
You want
you.
to switch?
Yeah, because I'm getting kind of busy on Sunday, but my mom will text you about it.
No problem. But understand this. This piece I have not covered for them yet.
Oh.
You got it? What did I
Could
do?
I try switching after next class?
Yeah. Meaning, see, this is what it is. I have not covered this for them. That's all. So you decide, and however you want to come, you come. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Even if you come, I don't mind. You see, it'll be repeat. That's all. You'll have fun. That's it. Okay, but let me know in advance. Okay.
Okay then.
Bye, guys. Any questions, you can stay and
Priya.
ask. Yeah, ma.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. Have a good week ahead.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Priya.
Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Have a good week ahead.